Hi, I'm waiting for our I-751 interview. Any news about appointments? So how do you know you're waiting for your I-751 interview? Many times it's waived. So it could be that they're just reviewing your case and you may not have an interview. The I-751 is the form you do when you have a marriage-based green card, also an investor-based green card, B5. We're not going to talk about that. But the I-751, actually, removal conditions for the investor one is the I-829 or something like that. And it's not the I-751. The I-751 is for marriage. You know, those take a long time. Sometimes it takes 6 months, sometimes it takes 2 years. And you may not need an interview. It just takes forever to get this done. Now, if you're married a U.S. citizen in particular, you may be able to file for U.S. citizenship, naturalization while that case is pending, and that sometimes forces the issue to get the I-751 done. So keep that in mind, consult with an attorney about that. But with regard to your question, when is the interview going to happen, what's going on in the news, you may just not have an interview, and hopefully that's the case. It'll save you for that. You'll just get the case done. A lot of it depends on luck, which officer you get reviewing it, but having good documentation and paperwork as part of the I-751 process is critical. So if you are a person whose case is coming up for removal of conditions, I-751, it's really important to have as much documentation as possible. I've done a lot of videos and clips about this. Check out the JQK channel. But having joint bank accounts, having driver's licenses at the same address, filing taxes together, having trip records going to places. If you have a child's birth certificate, having a mortgage or lease agreement or agreements or mortgages together, property, all this stuff is prime information, documentation that they like for your case. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.